Hello dear students, welcome to DAV. This is the second video of the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation. So let's begin. Previously we have studied about weather, different elements, what are the different elements responsible for weather. Now in this video we will be discussing about climate. So what exactly do you mean by climate? So it is nothing but an average weather condition of a place over a long duration of time. This is climate. For an instant, if I take an example, if a society which is staying in one particular zone and if the society observe a particular range of climate in a certain duration of time, that would be termed as climate. So in short, the average pattern of if an individual who is observing in a certain duration of time is the climatic condition of that particular place. So based on this, we have two types of climate, dry climate and cold climate. As the word itself speak, dry climate means a place that does not get enough amount of rain for a longer duration of time. A place where lack of rain is there, that climate becomes a dry climate. With the same thing, cold climate is a place which stays cold for a longer duration of time. That is cold climate. Now there are certain elements of climate as mentioned over here. These are certain elements of climate like temperature, precipitation, sunshine, wind. These are certain elements of climate. Previously we have discussed about temperature, pressure in previous video. You can go through it. Now directly coming to the topic of sunshine, wind. As you can see in this picture, this is a sunshine. This sunshine area determines that particular area belongs to this particular climate, that is this climate which has the element of sunshine. With the same thing, as you can see in this atmosphere, precipitation is happening. We have seen precipitation is nothing but movement of water. As you can see in this picture, water cycling is happening and water is getting accumulated to form cloud. So this water is getting accumulated, that is nothing but precipitation, and after that rain, after that formation of cloud, rain is falling. That is nothing but precipitation. In this picture you can see humidity. This is a water vapor which is being found in substance like plastics or water bottles and all. You might be familiar with it. So this is nothing but humidity. It is even observed in atmosphere also. Atmosphere also contain humidity. This is a perfect example you can see over here. Now this is a cloud formation or a cloud cover. As you can see in this picture, cloud cover is there. This is again wind. So this cloudy area determines that the atmosphere is quite pleasant. This is also sunshine, a quite dry climate. Precipitation, humidity climate, windy climate. Whenever, as you can see in the certain pictures, certain different types of elements are there. This elements determines the weather of that particular place. So if a person who is staying over here will feel that wind is occurring very frequently, so that area is known as windy climate. You can say here sunshine is there, enough amount of sunshine, precipitation is occurring, so again humidity over here, humidity climate, cloudy climate. So these are certain elements of climate. Now climate of India, as you can see, there are again different climates of India. First one, we can characterize climate of India according to certain zone. First one is alpine zone. It is the typical climate for a region above the trees. As you can see, wherever trees are there, specifically in higher mountains and all, certain climate is there. So that climate is known as alpine climate. The society which is living in mountain areas will feel a certain range of climate, certain zone of climate. That climate, according to them, is alpine climate zone. Basically, you will find Himalayan regions which is lying at high altitudes, high trees, mountains are there. So the person who is staying near or nearby the high mountains or trees and all, that climate is known as alpine climate. Subtropical zone, as you can see, near the tropic areas, you will find high temperature, hot weather, hot and wet sort of atmosphere is there. That is subtropical zone. Tropical zone, again, as you can see, the tropics are the region of the earth surrounding the equator. As you might have studied in geography and all, that the equator is passing from the map of India, or that zone is known as tropical zone. Arid zone is a region where is a severe lack of water, where there is a scarcity of water. That zone is known as arid zone. So these are certain zones from which we can observe different climatic zones in India. As you can see, this yellow portion is a mountainous portion over here. So this is an alpine climate, as you can see in the map of India, this yellow portion. In this portion, high mountain altitudes. So here the people residing will feel different range of climate. That climate is known as alpine climate. Tropical zone, the green one, light greenish one, that is tropical zone. This portion is tropical zone. Semi-tropical zones are this one, pink one. This pink portion is a semi-tropical zone. And as you can see, there are different zones. So based on this zone, the Indian climatic conditions have been decided. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.